In today's video, I show you guys how to create a new NFS Underground 2 profile with any core, ultimate starting money, and all upgrades unlocked. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link, select the download option, and you just need to wait for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, select the download now option. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open the extracted folder, right click on the profile creator and select run as administrator and select yes. This profile already exists, so don't use one of this name. So I'm gonna type J2 and continue. Select continue again. Select the car you like. Select the Toyota Supra and select continue. Type the money you want. Only 6 digit. 123456636 and then say continue. Unlock all car upgrades. You can skip this part or just select the parts if you want to upgrade and select continue. Have fun and a nice day or night and select OK. Just go stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, select the profile we created, Ajay2 in my case, load complete. And now I show you guys in game the same car we selected will be opens up. As you can see, Toyota Supra, and the same money we added a 6 digit number. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.